The world is changing rapidly. Skills that were once your strengths are becoming outdated in just a few years. It's a reality many of us face in this rapidly evolving world. But here's the exciting part. We have a solution that can transform this challenge into an opportunity. In today's Odyssey, we'll see how AI can supercharge your productivity, help enrich your understanding of your emotions, and enhance your creativity. We'll learn how to use AI not just to keep up, but to stay ahead. We'll explore a key question. How can you leverage AI to become incrementally better at what you already do best? But here's the key. It's not about replacing human skills, it's about enhancing them. The goal is collaboration, not replication. Together, we'll explore the incredible ways AI can augment your abilities while highlighting the importance of human wisdom and oversight. So, are you ready for this adventure? Let's tap into AI's potential to unlock your full superpowers. Before we dive into the ways AI can help you improve yourself, let's start by going over some key tips for interacting with AI tools like Claude 2.0, Bing, Forefront AI, and ChatGPT to get the most accurate and helpful responses. Tip 1 is to be specific with your prompts. The more details and context you provide, the better the AI will understand your intent and provide a relevant response. For example, compare a simple prompt like to a detailed prompt such as, Tip 2 is to provide feedback and guidance. Engage in a dialogue by indicating when responses are on point or need adjustment. This allows you to refine the interaction and steer the AI. For instance, you could respond with simple feedback like versus detailed feedback such as, Tip 3 is to experiment with different prompts. Trying variations and alternatives will lead to more creative and diverse responses. Rather than a simple prompt like, try variations like 1, 2, and 3. Enhancing productivity with AI. Harnessing the power of AI can significantly boost our productivity, enabling us to optimize our time and energy effectively. One remarkable way to achieve this is by designing an optimal morning routine. Imagine starting your day in a state of flow, where your focus is sharp and creativity flows effortlessly. It's that magical feeling when everything aligns and you're fully immersed in your tasks. Incorporating the 3-hour rule, dedicating uninterrupted time to your most crucial task when your concentration peaks, can transform your productivity. To get personalized morning routine suggestions tailored to your goals and habits, provide a detailed prompt to one of the AI assistants. Here's an example prompt you can use. Additionally, AI can help analyze areas where you can grow and recommend educational resources like online courses, books, or mentors to level up your skills. Apply an incremental growth mindset. Small, consistent improvements driven by AI's feedback will compound over time. Remind yourself to focus on daily 1% gains. Check out my incremental progress video for more. Maintain discipline. While AI productivity tools are useful, remember that human consistency and hard work are irreplaceable. Use AI to enhance, not replace, your work ethic. The key is using AI thoughtfully to build good habits. With focus and discipline, productivity gains unlocked by AI collaboration can accelerate your path to purpose. Leveling up your emotional IQ. One area where AI collaboration can provide immense value is in developing greater emotional intelligence, your ability to understand and manage your emotions effectively. We all have blind spots when it comes to our own behaviors, biases, and interpersonal awareness. AI systems can offer neutral third-party feedback to illuminate these blind spots and suggest new perspectives. Try asking your AI assistant to reframe stressful situations or surface unhealthy patterns lurking under your consciousness. For example, you can also prompt your AI to identify potential areas in your life where you might lack self-awareness or have room for personal growth. Your AI can scan for unmet needs and provide unbiased suggestions. However, remember that human wisdom is essential, so filter recommendations through your own judgment and values. Used responsibly, AI collaboration enables expanding your emotional intelligence by highlighting blind spots, reframing perspectives, and prompting self-reflection. But emotional skills like empathy, nuance, and rapport ultimately require human cultivation. Think of AI as an enhancement, not a replacement, for EQ. Boosting your creative edge. AI collaboration can help unlock new dimensions of your creativity. The key is using AI to broaden perspectives while maintaining your artistic vision. Try this prompt to generate fresh creative directions. The goal is expanding your creative boundaries, not outsourcing originality. Use AI to stimulate, not substitute, your imagination. You can also prompt your AI assistant to brainstorm imaginative ideas to integrate into a creative project. For example, a fashion designer could ask for trend forecasting insights to inspire their new clothing line. Use AI to enhance, not drive, the artistic process. As we conclude this enlightening journey, we've seen how AI collaboration can enhance human skills and abilities when used responsibly. Remember, our aim is augmentation, not replacement. We hope this video has been both enjoyable and informative for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. It's a different form of bookmarking so that you can enjoy our content at another time. We value your input. Show off your intelligence in the comment section. Together, let's continue shaping an optimistic vision for the future, one focused on empowering humans through thoughtful innovation. The opportunities before us are boundless, as long as we maintain oversight and let our imaginations flourish. So, until next time, stay curious, stay engaged, and let's harness technology's immense potential to elevate our lives. Remember, the future is what we make it. We'll see you in the next Odyssey.